What is up guys, and welcome back to another video. How are you guys all doing? I hope you are fine. So guys, in today's video I will be doing an unboxing of my treasure box, which is right here. But before we proceed with today's video guys, I wanted to tell you all something, which is the other day I uploaded a video on about this reaction on the Champions League final. And guys, my video got blocked because they say that it's a copyright thing. I think UEFA, they were scared of my videos because I might earn millions and millions of dollars. But no guys, I am not gonna earn any money out of the videos. I was just doing it for fun only. But it's okay, it's fine. Let's look on the bright side and focus what's in the future. And guys, before we proceed with today's video, a word of appreciation for all of you once again. Guys, I am very much thankful to all of you for your love and your support. It's all because of you that I have finally reached this 9k plus subscribers. 9k plus subscribers. 9k plus subscribers. And please do keep on supporting. And guys, if you are watching my videos and haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. And by the way, my name is Solom. So guys, now let's proceed with today's video, this unboxing of my treasure box. It's been a long time I haven't opened. I don't know what's all in there. So guys, I'll be unboxing it and I'll be revealing this thing which are all in there. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, the wait is finally over. Now let's open it. Ta-da! So guys, first things first, let's go with the paper. Whoa. What do you think guys? I think it's a love letter. Two full page. It's not a love letter, it's an article. I wrote it back then. Maybe if you want to read it another time. Let's leave this for a while. And second thing, we have a Rubik's Cube. Guys, can you solve this Rubik's Cube? I can, but it's been a long time I haven't solved this, so I'm confused. Maybe later on I'll try to solve this, so let's keep this for a while. And thirdly, we have my old phone. This was the condition guys, Micromax. Still then, this phone has helped me a lot. I did my graduation with this phone and it's still in a very good condition, but it was dropped in the water. Zoom. And hey guys, my tie back then, 2010. Let's leave this for a while. Boarding pass, a fidget spinner. I buy all those trendy stuffs for fun. Fidget spinner. What's this? Guys, I still have the tickets for this Avengers Endgame. I found it in my wallet and I put it in my treasure box. Next. Whoa, this is censored. 18 plus. I got that right. Medicinal purpose. Just kidding guys, I was trying to fix my shoes, that's why I bought it. And I left it in my treasure box. SD card. I don't know what's all in there, I forgot. I don't remember. Wait, it's not a SD card, it's a card reader. Card reader. Here, bud. Oh. So no. Okay, so let's leave this aside. And a gold stone, which I sprayed it myself. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, guys, check this out. This is my graduation picture. Your boy is right here.
Where am I?
So it's here am I. So that's me. And I've got another poster which is shall I reveal it to you guys? Ta-da! Guys, I'm a fan of Real Madrid. So Real Madrid fan, but this season we did not win any trophy. So yeah, let's roll this and put this aside. Madrid fan, no trophy for this year. Charger. I don't know what's this. Jubilee year 2019 Theological Association, Bangor Theological Association. An earpiece. Hey guys, what do you think this is? I don't know how many of you are a fan of this animation Naruto. Guys, I'm a fan of Naruto, and here's a headband for this Konoha village. A friend of mine gifted this one to me. A friend of mine, he studies animation and he did a lot of cosplay, so he made this by himself. It's called a headband, gone from the Konoha village. Ding ding ding. Let's leave this aside. What is this? Oh, a badge. This is a badge from the Temple Church, Delhi. What is this? Celebrating 10 years of God's faithfulness. Badge, pencil, bike key, some albums, my phone cover. Guys, I'm recording myself with my phone. I don't have a camera. I'm using Huawei Nova 3i. Hey, can be seen. Huawei Nova 3i. And guys, there is an issue about this this Huawei company. This brand is from China, and they say that it's gonna be banned very soon. But who cares? And guys, see, I'm a animation fan. I have Pikachu here, which I got it from Chips. I've got Mew. A tooth. I don't know what tooth is this, but I found it, so I kept it in my treasure box. So guys, this tie is from 2010 when I was in class 10. And now it is all a memory, guys. Getting emotional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of my friends have written here, and I have not opened since 2010. I mean, I haven't untied my necktie since 2010, which I am not gonna untie it because it's all a memory now. And back then, my friends, they were all writing on their shirt, but as for me, I did not, because I was thinking for the future. Because I will have to wear the same shirt in my 10+1 and 10+2. So guys, I am a very low budget man. Kanjus. Memory. So that's it, guys. That was all in my treasure box. So guys, now let me try and solve this Rubik's Cube. Guys, I forgot completely about this album. This was my past memories. There's your boy. When I was in studying at Maria Montessori School. Me and my mom, me and my friends. There's your boy. Hey. There's your boy. When I was riding a scooter. Christ Jyoti memory. This is your boy. I'm gonna lift this. Let's see what's in here. My sisters back then, they were Charlie's Angels. So yeah, that's it. So guys, let me try and solve this. Let me mix up some colors first. Guys, did you know that the fastest man on earth to solve the Rubik's Cube was in 2 seconds? Because he completely dipped the Rubik's Cube in a color. I don't know how long it's gonna take for me to solve this, but let me try my best to solve in 2 minutes. So let's go. So guys, the first layer is completed. See, wait, I will be confused. See, it's completed. First layer. Now let's go with the second layer. So guys, second layer is completed. Now final remaining. So guys, now it's done. Now we have this part only. Ooh, this is the toughest part. I have to concentrate on this. I have to concentrate on this. So guys, can you see a little bit of difference on the last part? Have to continue until it's over. Bam, 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 bam. So guys, it's finally done. How was it, guys? I don't know how many minutes I took, but yeah, I did my best. So guys, that's it. And I think I'm gonna end my video for today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your love and your support. And guys, in my previous clip, I have said, actually I was supposed to say 900 plus subscribers, but I have said 9k plus subscribers. Whew, sorry for that. It's actually 900 subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please help me reach 1k subscribers this week. So click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that you'll not miss out any of my new upload videos. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.